Hi, my name is Laura, and I'm here to oppose House Bill 5510. When I was in high school in a small Texas town, 18 years old, I was violated by someone I considered a friend, and I found myself pregnant. It was 1972, before Roe versus Wade, and abortion was not legal in Texas. But all I wanted to do was get rid of anything to do with my assailant. My older sister put me in contact with Planned Parenthood, who walked me through all my options. But I was adamant I could not imagine going through with this pregnancy. Planned Parenthood put me in contact with the Jane Hotline in Chicago, who threw me a lifeline. The volunteer with the Jane Hotline helped me connect with a program called Problem Pregnancy Information Services, which arranged for women in need to travel to Los Angeles, California, to a clinic run by licensed physicians. Abortions were legal in California, and just a few weeks later, I was on my way to LA to obtain an abortion. At the clinic, I was given the information I needed to feel comfortable and safe, and I felt assured being surrounded by medical personnel in the clinic. When I woke up from anesthesia, I was informed that my blood was Rh negative, and the embryo I was carrying was Rh positive. The antibodies of my embryo clashed with my own antibodies, causing me to hemorrhage profusely. I lost so much blood that I needed a blood transfusion, something that is not normally necessary in a routine abortion. I was fortunate that the clinic and the licensed physicians were equipped to give me the transfusion needed. If I had not been able to seek help from the people I trust and I care, if I had not been able to get the information I needed about an abortion, if I had not been able to travel to another state to get an abortion, I may not have survived my pregnancy. This bill is trying to take that away. HB 5510 would isolate pregnant women from our support systems, our sources of knowledge, our ability to receive necessary health care services, and we cannot allow this to stand.
Thank
We
you for
must
your
stop
testimony.
this. Thank you.
Members, questions of this witness? Seeing none, thank you all for being here.